Hello students, most welcome to Abhinav coaching classes. I am BM Singh to teach you English grammar here. I had completed parts of sentence. Now I am going to teach you today about the kinds of sentence. Kinds of sentence. There are four kinds. Number one, assertive. Assertive sentence has two types. Number one, affirmative, or you can say positive. And second one is negative. Second type of question is science is interrogative. Interrogative sentence means questions. There are six types of questions which I shall teach you later on while changing into interrogative, and within it you will read about type questions, short questions, rhetorical questions, and so many other things. Third one is imperative sentence. Imperative means आज्ञा सूचक. Interrogative means प्रश्नवाचक. Fourth is optative. Optative means इच्छा या कल्पना सूचक. I am writing इच्छा या कल्पना सूचक. Then that is आज्ञा सूचक. And this is प्रश्नवाचक. This is साधारण वाक्य. And fifth is exclamatory sentence. विस्मयादिबोधक. विस्मय आदि का बोध कराने वाला वाक्य विस्मयादिबोधक कहलाता है. There are the five kinds of sentences, and I am going to teach you about from affirmative to negative. वर्ब के से पहले सेंटेंस में सब्जेक्ट प्लस वर्ब प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट होता है. वर्ब में भी पहले हम हेल्पिंग वर्ब लिखते हैं, इसके बाद हम मेन वर्ब लिखते हैं, और यदि नॉट जोड़ना होता है तो नॉट को यहीं पर जोड़ते हैं. दैट इज द कॉमन रूल, साधारण नियम है. अब नो मीन्स भी नॉट होता है और नॉट मीन्स तो नॉट होता ही है, लेकिन कहाँ हम नो का प्रयोग करेंगे, कहाँ हम नॉट का प्रयोग करेंगे, दैट इज ए पेकुलियर थिंग फॉर यू. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू अबाउट यूज ऑफ नो और नॉट. हम नो का प्रयोग कहाँ करें और नॉट का प्रयोग कहाँ करें. यूज ऑफ नो ऑब्लिक नॉट. नो मने भी नहीं होता है और नॉट मने भी नहीं होता है. यू मस्ट नो दैट नो इज बोथ adjective and adverb. नो दोनों ही है, एडजेक्टिव भी है और एडवर्ब भी है. और एज एन एडजेक्टिव नो इज यूज्ड before singular or plural noun. For example, I have no pen or pens. Pen is noun and pens is also noun. And no is used before noun, that is an adjective. Next example, no teachers went out. Here teachers is noun, so no is adjective. I told you that no can be used as an adjective before noun. Now, no can also be used as an adverb. As an adverb, no is used before comparative adjectives. First thing, no is used before comparative adjectives. Example, for example, Ram is no taller than I. Taller is comparative degree of adjective, and so no can be used. This is adjective, and then that is adverb. You miss. Next one is no is also used with different with the word different as a complement object. For example, I hadn't seen him for years, but he is no different. यहाँ पर is हो गया इनकम्प्लीट वर्ब, different is adjective, complement, and so no is adverb which is used before an adjective. I have shown you that no can be used as. Next one is no is used with verb plus ing to show that something is not allowed. Something is not allowed. Example, no smoking, or no parking. This is verb plus ing. It means parking is not allowed, smoking is not allowed. So to show that something is not allowed. Next is noun or adjective. Again, let me clear. Noun or adjective, whether in positive or comparative degree, no is written after them. No is written before them. Example, he is no clever. Next one is one is no friend of mine. आपने देखा कि क्लेवर इज एडजेक्टिव, इसके पहले भी नो आ सकता है. फ्रेंड इज नाउन, इसके पहले भी नो आ सकता है. नो का प्रयोग होता है. नेक्स्ट, अब नॉट का प्रयोग देखते हैं. नो और नॉट का प्रयोग हम लोग और भी कर सकते हैं. एग्जाम्पल, फिफ्थ इज नॉट is also used as no to make negative. Now it is adverb. It is used in following structures. It is used in following structures. नो की तरह नॉट का प्रयोग भी किया जा सकता है और यह एडवर्ब है. किस स्ट्रक्चर में? नंबर 1, डॉट डॉट डॉट, नॉट प्लस ए ऑब्लिक एन प्लस नाउन. Example, this is not a cow. तो cow is noun, उसके पहले ए लग गया, नॉट का प्रयोग इसके साथ हो सकता है. सेकेंड स्ट्रक्चर, नॉट प्लस ए ऑब्लिक एन प्लस एडजेक्टिव प्लस नाउन. इसका एग्जाम्पल हुआ, यू आर नॉट अ गुड बॉय. बॉय इज नाउन, गुड इज एडजेक्टिव, ए डिटर्मिनेंट, तो नॉट का प्रयोग यहाँ किया जा सकता है। थर्ड इज नॉट प्लस कॉम्प्लीमेंट एडजेक्टिव। एग्जाम्पल, the girl is not wise. Is incomplete verb, wise adjective complement, and so not is adverb. इसके अलावा not plus adverb plus adjective, not plus adverb plus adjective, इस स्ट्रक्चर में भी आ सकता है। एग्जाम्पल, Ram is not very tall. Tall is adjective, very is adverb, so not is also adverb, very is adverb, so not is also adverb, qualifying very. And the last is not plus verb. In this structure, you can say not plus verb can be also used as negative. I am not reading. Now, use of not and any. Use of not and any. You must know, no is used before singular, plural or uncountable noun in assertive sentences. For example, I have no money, or pen or pens. Means no can be used before singular, plural or uncountable noun in assertive sentence. But any is used before singular, plural or uncountable noun in interrogative sentences. Example, have you any money, pen or pens? Now I have taught you about the use of not and any, and not can be used with the verb with contraction forms, and verb plus not in short form is called its contraction. It can also be used to make negative sentence. Not can also be used with pronouns, verbs, and that verb may also be added to subject, or it can also be written separately. That is the thing. So in that way I have taught you about changing of affirmative sentence into negative sentence. I hope that that will be very useful to you, and next in our next class, hope that you will understand it. If there is any problem, any difficulty, you may ask me, send your suggestion. It will be most welcomed. And if the teaching is admirable, you can comment it, share it, subscribe it, hoping you are having a nice day. Thank you very much.